There may be occasions when presented with this screen indicating the AGI4 receiver is operating in UT mode. If this occurs following initial installation, it may be due to a missing terminator cap on harnessing, or incorrectly configured serial ports, and further investigation will be required. If the system was previously operating fine and this screen randomly presents, follow the steps shown in this video to resolve. Press the green tick. Press the ESC escape button, then press the OK button. Press the spanner button. Press the arrow down button. Press the basic advanced button. Press the green tick to confirm change of user mode to advanced. Press the spanner button. Press the arrow down button. Press the arrow down button again. Press the system button. Press the arrow down button. Press the receiver configuration button. Press in the operation box to change the selected operation. Press Reset GNSS State, then OK. Press the green tick to proceed with the reboot. Press OK on the UT error message and wait for the receiver to restart. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.